Are you craving a home that exudes serenity and calm? Look no further than Japandi, a design movement that blends the best of Japanese and Scandinavian aesthetics. Imagine a space that's both minimalist and inviting, functional and beautiful. That's the essence of Japandi. Japandi goes beyond just aesthetics. It's a philosophy of creating a harmonious living environment. Borrowing from Japanese wabi-sabi and Scandinavian huggy, it prioritizes the natural materials, clean lines, and functionality. Neutral color palettes set the stage for a calming atmosphere, while pops of texture and contrasting elements add depth and character. A key aspect of Japandi is the clever use of space. Open floor plans promote a sense of airiness, but privacy is still important. Here's where your traditional Japanese screens come in. Crafted from rice paper for a light and elegant way to section off your areas. Think sliding doors or bifold screens to separate a bedroom from a living space, maintaining an open feel when desired. One way Japandi distinguishes itself from minimalism is to embrace texture. This is especially important in spaces that are dominated by neutral tones. Think of wood, the workhorse material used for everything from flooring to furniture. Incorporate other elements like a statement dining table in stained ash or a soft wool rug in the bedroom. These subtle variations add personality and warmth, while natural materials pay homage to the natural world. Lighting certainly plays a crucial role in Japandi design. Since the focus is on clean lines and minimal decor, thoughtful lighting becomes even more important for setting your mood. Consider installing LED strips behind beams to reflect light upward, creating a soft glow. Opt for additional task lighting like floor lamps and table lamps to add layers of illumination and enhance the cozy ambience. Every element in a Japandi home will serve a purpose. Think of the multifunctional furniture like window benches that double up as storage or floating shelves that offer both style and practicality. In open plan spaces, acoustic walls can dampen sound while adding a unique textural element that complements the neutral color palette. There are two main approaches to color in Japandi. The first is to use a natural palette, relying then on your texture for visual interest. This creates a peaceful and calming environment. The second approach to color employs a slightly bolder color scheme, using accent colors to define areas or add a touch of personality. Imagine sleek black pendant lights contrasting with a neutral and natural wall, adding a contemporary touch. Japandi often incorporates principles of Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese practice of creating positive energy flow within a space. Separation of areas can be tricky in open plan layouts, but subtle techniques like using a rectangular dining table balanced by rounded pendant lights can certainly help to achieve the harmony. By embracing the philosophy of Japandi design, you can create a haven of tranquility in your home, a place to find refuge from the stresses of everyday life. So ditch the clutter, celebrate natural materials, and embrace the serene beauty of Japandi. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration. See you next time.